Are HVAC UV air purifiers worth the investment? A simple assumption about this issue can overlook the condition that is actually affecting the system. HVAC UV lights can be worthwhile when the goal is controlling microbial growth on damp indoor coils and drain pan areas, but they should not be treated as complete air purifiers. They do not remove dust, pet dander, smoke particles, or ordinary allergens from moving air. Pay attention to changes in airflow, comfort, sound, moisture, runtime, and reliability. Basic filter and thermostat checks can provide useful clues, but electrical, refrigerant, combustion, and internal control problems should be tested by a qualified HVAC professional. In Bastrop, cooling systems can spend long periods managing heat and indoor moisture. A coil-focused UV installation may be useful for a specific microbial growth concern, but it should complement rather than replace suitable filtration and HVAC maintenance. For help evaluating this concern, Mr. Chill Cooling and Heating provides professional HVAC repair and service for Bastrop homeowners.